Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if I told you your kitchen is hiding gadgets so smart they can save you time, effort, and even money? From tools that chop, clean, and cook like magic, to gadgets you didn't know you needed until today. These are the most amazing and useful kitchen gadgets that can completely upgrade the way you cook. And one gadget near the end is a total game changer. All product links are in description, so don't blink, don't skip, and let's jump straight into the first kitchen gadget. Is your kitchen drawer full of dull knives and useless scissors? Meet the Longzon 4-in-1 sharpener. It's designed for everything, from heavy-duty kitchen shears to fruit knives, santokas, and even meat cleavers. It's simple. For a very dull knife, start at slot 2 for a coarse grind, move to 3 for smoothing, and finish at 4 for that razor-sharp polish. Remember, always pull toward you. Look at that. Effortless slices on lemons, onions, and even tough meat. It brings your oldest blades back to life in seconds. Professional results right on your countertop. Grab yours from the link in description. 6 is the electric spice grinder, and it's here to revolutionize your seasoning game. It's easy, single-handed operation. Just push the button and watch it work. The built-in LED light is a game changer. It helps prevent over-seasoning so you get it perfect every time. Plus, it has low noise so you can focus on cooking, not clatter. Whether you're grinding sea salt, black peppercorns, or specialty spices, this grinder handles it all. With a larger 100 milliliter capacity and a 360-degree transparent container, you spend less time refilling and more time cooking. Upgrade your kitchen and elevate your meals with this fantastic electric spice grinder set. It's the perfect blend of style and efficiency. Tired of playing Tetris with your kitchen cabinets? Meet the Sensart detachable handle cookware set, the ultimate space saver for your kitchen. The magic is in the detachable handle. It's incredibly sturdy and clicks on and off in seconds. Plus, this ultra nonstick surface is no joke. Even sticky sauces and eggs slide right off without a drop of oil. These go from stovetop to oven, up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. And then straight to the table as elegant serving dishes. They are dishwasher safe. And look at this storage. They stack like bowls, saving you up to 70% more space compared to traditional pans. This is a must-have for every kitchen. If you love baking but dread the floury mess all over your counters, you need this. Meet the Danya and Dean nonstick pastry mat. It comes with built-in measurement guides for perfect pie crusts and a handy temperature conversion chart right on the surface. No more Googling while your hands are covered in dough. The best part? It's heat-resistant. You can bake your pizza or cookies directly on it. When you're done, just toss it in the dishwasher. Yes, it's really that easy. Level up your baking game and keep your kitchen clean. Link in the description. Tired of smelly hands and tedious mincing? Meet the Garlic Zoom by Chefin. Just pop the top and drop in up to 3 peeled cloves. It's compact, powerful, and works on ginger too. Now, just roll to chop. The more you roll, the finer the mince. It's like a little toy car for your kitchen. Flip it open to get perfectly minced garlic every time, without your fingers ever touching a blade. Tasteful ingenuity for your kitchen. Link in the description to grab yours. Stop wasting time to the cabinet every time there's a spill. This is the all-in-one cleanup kit. It's a heavy-duty paper towel holder with a hidden refillable spray bottle right in the center. The tension arm makes one-handed tearing a breeze, even when your other hand is covered in, well, whatever you just spilled. Just fill it with your favorite cleaner, pop it in, and you're ready for anything. It's sleek, it's sturdy, and it's a total game changer for your kitchen or workspace. Stop struggling with bulky colanders. This is the AU-ON clip-on strainer, and it's a kitchen game changer. It features a universal design with 2 strong clamps that fit almost any pot, pan, or bowl. Just clip it on and forget the mess. The patented wide lip design drains water faster while keeping your food safely inside. It's made of high-quality, BPA-free, heat-resistant silicone. Plus, it's dishwasher safe and so compact it fits in any drawer. Say goodbye to clutter. Grab your AU-ON strainer today. Link in description. Tired of messy rice bags and stale grains? Meet the Life Rice Dispenser, your new kitchen essential. It holds up to 25 pounds of grain. Its airtight silicone seal keeps everything fresh and moisture-free. Just one press and you get exactly what you need every time. It's not just for rice. Perfect for beans, lentils, or any small dry grains. The best part? The measuring cup doubles as a strainer for easy rinsing. Stylish, organized, and effortless. Link in description. Tired of spending forever dicing onions and veggies? This is the OXO food chopper. It uses a quick press knob that rotates a stainless steel blade every time you push down. You can chop directly into the included cup, which even has measurement markings, or right on your cutting board. The best part? It comes apart easily, and every single piece is dishwasher safe for a 10-second cleanup. Safe, fast, and mess-free. Meet the TrendPlane 3-in-1 oil sprayer, the ultimate kitchen upgrade for healthy, mess-free cooking. This is a triple threat. You can spray a fine mist for air frying, stream oil for salad dressings, or pour it directly when you're baking or sautéing. It's easy enough for the kids to help out with dinner, and because it controls the portion perfectly, it's a game changer for healthy meal prep. One quick press gives you a perfect mist for steaks, veggies, or even toasting bread in a pan. No more soggy food, just perfect results every time. Link in description. Meet the Loud T2O collapsible travel kettle. It's a global traveler's dream with dual voltage settings. Setup is a breeze. Just click the handle into place, expand the food-grade silicone body, and you've got a full-sized kettle. It boils half a liter of water in just 3 minutes. Perfect for tea, coffee, or even instant noodles on the go. When you're done, it collapses flat and fits right into this compact zipper bag. It's lightweight and barely takes up any space. Link in description. Stop settling for clumpy protein shakes and boring snacks. This is the BlendJet 2. It's an ice-crushing beast. Watch it tear through whole fruits and frozen veggies with ease. Just drop in your milk, your favorite frozen fruit, and in 20 seconds, you've got a smoothie bar quality drink. Anywhere. It's water-resistant and recharges via USB-C. One charge gives you 15+ blends. Upgrade your routine and grab your BlendJet 2 today. Your smoothies will thank you. Tired of a cluttered kitchen counter? Meet the extendable dish rack with cutlery holder. It features adjustable feet to fit perfectly over different sink sizes, saving you precious counter space. The best part? It's expandable. Whether you have a few plates or a full dinner parties, the automatic drainage system funnels water directly into the sink, keeping everything dry and hygienic. It's rust-proof, durable, and the ultimate upgrade for an organized kitchen. Stop bending over your gross kitchen trash can. You need to see this. This is a hanging trash can that hooks right onto your cabinet. It's a total game changer for meal prep because it stays right where you're working. Part? The dual action lid. You can flip it up like normal or slide it down to keep it open while you sweep scraps off the counter. No hands, no mess. Use the adhesive mount to stick it in the bathroom, your bedroom, or even your laundry room. It's sleek, smells proof, and saves so much floor space. If you're tired of messy counters and a sore back, this is the upgrade your home needs. Still making a mess every time you grate cheese? You need to see this. This is the Prep Solutions two-way grater. It works upright for quick jobs or horizontally to grate directly into this built-in container. It's not just for cheese. Carrots, zucchini, onions. It handles everything with 2 different blade textures for fine or coarse shreds. The best part? It has integrated measurement markings. It's super easy to wash. It's compact, clever, and a total game changer. Link in description. And if you like this video and found little helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.